Welcome back to my channel, you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how I wear my own lashes. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm also going to list down a few of my favorite eyelashes in the description box down below. So you need a tweezer, a lash fixer or a lash glue, lashes of course, and a small handy mirror.
The lash glue I'm using today is from Pack Cosmetics. It has a thin brush applicator which makes it super easy to apply on the lash band.
How I like to hold my lash is with a tweezer and the lash glue right here, and taking the applicator, just applying an extremely thin line on the band. Make sure you apply the lash fixer in the corners. Wait till your lash glue has dried, not completely but semi-dried. I've applied a thin layer of lash glue and I'm going to wait till it semi-dries. When the lash glue starts turning a little purple or maybe like a unicorn color, that's when you know that it is time to apply your lash. What I do is I bend my chin a little backward, take a mirror and then just apply the lash on my lash line. Start with the center and then go with the back. Pull it a little towards the end of your lash line and then go in the front. Again, I'm pulling it and then just placing it over my lash line.
So I like to place my lashes first on my natural lash line, and once I'm happy with the placement, I stick them together.
Then I'm just pressing the lash into my lash line with the tweezer. For this, you can also use your hand.
Before I start the application of false lashes, I like to curl and apply lots of mascara on my natural lashes so they can blend together. So here it is, guys. This is how I apply my lashes.
I hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For those who are new here, I post videos every week and I will see you next week. Thank you for watching.